G'day, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions. I'm just going to go through and show you how to do a recalibration on the pressure sensor module of the Gen 3 PSDS unit. So let's get into it. So what we're going to do is show you how to go through and recalibrate it. So at the moment, they've got two sets of dip switches here, and they're both set to integrated. So we need to pull out the blue cable. We need to move these to standalone. So we've got DS plus VAV, integrated and standalone are the three options. So we push them both to standalone, and then up there at the back of the unit we have the power supply. So we take that out of whatever you've got available, it can be either the main board or the extension module, which is one of these smaller modules. And then we plug it in, we're going to be plugging into the power supply of the pressure sensor module. Before we do so, we need to hold our hand onto these three switches. So it's a bit difficult, but it's a bit of a challenge sometimes just to locate your fingers on all three. If you've got small fingers, it'll probably be more helpful than my big fingers. Then we put the power in. And then what it does then, it says clear, then it does sensor not cal, and then it's resetting the sensor. So offset of 117 LSB is right, is what we're trying to achieve. That's just resetting the calibration of the pressure sensor module or transducer inside the PSDS. So now it says done. We pull the power out again. We put these back to integrated on both of them. And we can plug the blue cable back in, and then we can power up the system. And then the system will go through testing the zone motors again. So it will drive the zones open, and it will drive them closed. So then it goes through and tests it. This example, I don't have any zone motors plugged in, so I came up with 3 X's, but it should come up. If you've got zones plugged in the front here, it will come up and say okay for each of the zone motors that you've got plugged in. For anything that's not plugged in or faulty, it will come up with an X. So now the system is now, before it was reading 21 pascals, now that we've recalibrated, it's now reading at 1 pascal. So it's now recalibrated back to the current atmosphere pressure. So that's how we go through and reset the pressure sensor module. Hopefully that you find this helpful. If you do so, please like this video and subscribe to our page. We look forward to helping you with other issues or questions you may have. If you do have any questions, please comment below, and we'll get to making a video to help you with your situation. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.